What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to be talking about building your morning ritual and the importance of drinking water when you first get up. At least a glass, but even like 16 ounces is good. So you've been asleep and not hydrating, so you really need the water, and you can tell usually you'll like wake up with kind of a dry mouth or at least like funky breath, and you just know you need to get some water in you. And some of the benefits are that it jumpstarts your metabolism and gives you energy. And when you fill your stomach up with a bunch of water, you tend to eat less, which is nice. Um, you can do water with lemon juice squeezed in it, and it can make it a little less boring drinking your water. It also can help prevent kidney stones, which is really cool. Um, and I actually really enjoy drinking seltzer water. Um, I've replaced most of the soda that I used to drink with it, and it helps a lot and makes me just enjoy drinking water more. So you should give that a try too. All right, I hope you can incorporate that into your morning ritual. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.